And he comes out the room, and I look at him, and I'm not bullshitting, man. I seen like an orange, his aura or whatever. I seen it. He's orange.
I'm one of the baddest motherfuckers of all time. One of the best singers and one of the best looking motherfuckers you've ever seen. Hold my drink. I'm Rick James. Enjoy yourself.
He put his welding helmet out here on the ground because he charges the solar panel on it.
Got a solar panel.
Wow, go on, man. You like Iron Man, huh?
Green.
Green. What's up, Matt?
Reducing the carbon footprint.
He talking about reducing the carbon footprint. Huh?
That last one, you should be able to pull it right in.
Did you get on last night?
We got home late.
Man, look at this dude.
Hey.
He's supposed to be leveling me up on Wild with some gear. He talking about he got home late. Hey y'all, this is my Wild buddy that I've been looking for and I can't find him anymore on Wild. So,
Getting on this weekend.
yeah, right. You know, my wife banned me. I finally fought my wife to get on, and now Matt can't get on. His wife probably banned him. What's more important? No, I don't play no Call of Duty. That's some weak shit. We wizards and shit around here. Yeah, we magical.
Yeah, we fucking pull on the elephant.
Yeah. There he is, the man with the slow car. Ain't that what you said to me when I walked in? Yeah. Y'all see how he greets me, right? Come on, Tad. Hey, Hunter. He said that the straps were in there. He said go back and look in the UPX box. Because he said they pulled it out and dropped it in. Oh man, look at her. They put my name on here in yellow. for the yellow trim. You know that's on it. hey, that's a bad engine, Chad. No, don't you put that in your car.
It's no good.
You right, Phil.
Here's a better one right here.
No, that's a piece of shit.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this one.
Hey, why is your engine up top higher than my engine?
Because it's better.
They need to switch the placement. This engine should be on top always. Hunter, it was a different box. It wasn't in that box.
Yeah, it was. It was in that box.
Was that the UPS box?
Yeah. It was in the same box as this. You know, it's actually a FedEx.
Yeah.
I mean, it was on top of the fan when we opened it up.
It was on top of the fan.
Yeah, you opened it up.
I didn't open it up.
Well, you looked at it in there.
Hunter, AJ said you better find them straps or you gonna put it on your ass.
Oh, he needs to send it. There wasn't two different packages.
No, it was the one package.
One, and this is it.
Okay.
It's not in there.
All right. Well, I'll tell him to look. Here, I'm gonna put y'all on the phone.
Yeah.
Hey, AJ, I got Hunter here, and he's gonna go back over the office camera. But he said when he opened it up, it was just laying on top. It wasn't in the straps wasn't in there. Correct, Hunter?
Correct. Yeah, we're looking at the box right now.
Just send me back what you have and then I'll fold back.
Okay.
Straps and brackets, and they go, the little triangles, they go off of the header bolts.
Yeah, that's what we're missing. It should be 6 straps and 6 buckle, as far as tabs.
Yeah, I mean, just send me back what you have and I'll match it up when you get here.
Okay.
For now, because I don't have anything else here. You got the last one that I had on the shelf. Although I just did get a quantum view from Big Ben, and he's sending out replacements to me, so
okay.
I'll sort it all out when it gets here.
Oh, we're sending the van back too?
Boy, he's gonna whip your ass, Hunter. Hunter said he don't want to open up that can, do he, Hunter?
My wish app is I wish a mother would.
Goddamn, Hunter, you live on the wish creed, Hunter.
That's right.
Hey man, I got these I got these punch cards
Yeah.
that I've collected from these raids and these dungeons.
Yeah.
Where do those punch cards go? Is that for raid gear or?
There's a trinket that you get from, there's a new island with a bunch of gnomes that you have to go to. And you have to do all the quests and you get the trinket for it, and you use those punch cards to increase your stats. So it makes it better for PvP, for raiding, whatever.
But I gotta go get the damn trinket now.
Yeah. If you're up Saturday when we get done, I'll be on.
Okay.
And I'll be on Sunday too.
Okay, now I'm not gonna f up the raid or nothing, am I?
No, it's just a quest chain. We got
okay.
this.
I mean, I don't want to be the dude in there being Leroy Jenkins or nothing.
Ready, guys?
Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins!
Nah, we got you, bro.
All right, bro. Yeah, but he ain't powered out like you though.
And I'm only slightly powered, bro.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. What you doing to the priest, man? Well, where is it at? Come over here, stand by the priest. Man, what you doing to the priest, man?
Pulled it out, cleaned it up a little bit.
You pull the engine out already?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Here, go over there and stand by your car, man. You know, I like to see the victims stand next to the stand next to their babies when I end up snatching their souls. Now I hadn't raced you with this new engine yet,
no.
so I know it's turned up. But you're still shifting gears, right?
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be a hard kill, man. It's gonna be a hard kill. The other day I ran with the car turned down. I ran a 6.0. So
better be faster than 6.0.
man, you know I got you, Chad. Don't worry, I said it was turned down.
Hey, I got my little button in here for the demon killer.
Oh, you got a demon killer button? You don't
Yeah,
have
it's
to,
a little button
yeah,
in there.
Yeah, you know they all got that little button.
Yes.
Yeah, but you know what you need is your little depends, because when I when I snatch your soul, most people shit on themselves. You know, they all something happened to the car.
Yeah.
Something happens to everybody's car when I've never beat anybody in a legitimate race. Something has always happened to their car. Like the guy that I raced last week, he forgot to turn his nitrous on, even though he purged it at the line.
Yeah.
But he forgot to turn his nitrous on. And then, I forgot, he also gave me the hit.
Yeah, I always leave mine on no matter what.
Yeah, but I think it was more like I took the hit and he did turn his nitrous on, but it was, nah, man, I think I killed him on a tree, and that's where it was at. But you know, you cut a pretty mean light though,
yeah.
Chad. Your name ain't quick for no reason. Oh man, so you took the engine out.
Changed all suspension up too on it. Put some coal overs, everything in here. See this?
Man, you Mustang guys. All Viking.
Yep. I put all new coal over and everything in here.
Boy, y'all got all the good stuff. All right, maybe I'll get some call over someday. Who knows?
I used to wrestle some, and then when I went to this, they had me in the white belt. I'd go in there. I'd go focus on the white belt. I'll tell you.
The bone MMA guy versus.
Hey man, you can come on in there to my school, Chad. I'll let you go in there and grapple some.
I love doing that.
You have a good time. As a matter of fact, you need to bring your son.
Yes.
Him and my son can hang out and they can learn together.
Yep. That's
Yeah.
good for him to learn that too. For sure.
Yeah, it's good for him to have it. Yeah.
Yep.
Matt, you don't show up, me and you, we're gonna be on WoW. If you come to my school, we're gonna be in the office playing WoW.
Hey, don't tell me that. I'll tell my wife I'm training when I'm training in a while.
Yeah.
I'm too fat to not need cool air.
Hey man, I'm with you, brother. See, we eating off the same plate.
I'm glad to see you back now.
Yeah, man, it's good to be back, Chad.
It's been a while.
Yeah, man, it's been 7 months, dude. No racing, 7 months. You know, I tried to run the Mustang, but it just wasn't the same, man.
No, it's not the same. Especially being stock one.
Yeah, it just ain't the same, man.
No.
Now, you give me the Cobra Jet?
Yeah,
I'm done.
Those are bad.
Yeah. I'll walk away from this if you give me the Cobra Jet.
Those are awesome.
But yeah, it just, what I want to do is drive a drag pack someday.
I want to drive the electric Cobra Jet.
Oh
seen that
man,
one?
You know what? I think that's the end all, because where's your maintenance gonna be at?
You ain't gonna have none, really. I mean,
All you gotta do is charge that baby up and go kick some ass.
Yeah.
You ain't got to worry about blowing no engine.
No, I'm telling you.
It's gonna be economical drag.
Tree hugger drag race.
Yeah. I'll hug that tree with that.
Oh yeah, for sure with that car. Let's get it coming down.
Gonna get ready.
Don't you think Charlie's a little old to be taking karate? He's probably taking it with the little kids. Yeah, Charlie whipped my ass in his dreams. I told you, Charlie has delusions of grandeur in his head. I'm telling you what's happening.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.